guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through a Planners Anonymous box. I received the August 2019 box in the mail and I did purchase this with my own money. So let's get into it. So this kit is called Peacock Ballet, and you're gonna get, it looks like this cute pin. I don't know if you can see that. Super cute. And then you're gonna get some peacock washi. Looks like peacock feathers. And then let me see if I can pull this out for you. You'll get some ballet slippers. Washi, and it says On Point, super cute. And then you'll get some washi with some roses on it, so that's super cute too. And then you'll get some paper cutouts, one with this ballet girl, she's super cute. Let's see, let's open this one. So these must be the journaling cards, and it says, let's see, raise the bar, dance through life, dance to the beat of your own drum. I love that one. Sing, dance, and dream. If you stumble, make it part of the dance. And without dance, what is the point? So those are super cute. And then you get this peacock one. And then this one looks like stickers. So you get these super cute stickers. There's a peacock and a rose and a ballet girl. And then you get, on this one you get some like hairpins, lights, a bag, bow. And then here's your days of the week. And then you've got your glasses, your coffee, your Happy Mail. So those are super cute. And here's a sneak peek of next month, it looks like. Barista Brunch. So that'll be super cute. Looks like this one is the stamp set. And it looks like you get the ballet girl. Looks like a little mask. And there's some words that say dance through life, which is super cute. You have like a hanger with like a ballet tutu, and then you've got some like peacock feathers on it. That's super cute. And then here's some more paper cutouts. Let's see if I can get them all out. So yeah, here's some more ballet dancers. Oh, and this is super cute. This is like, oh, this is like a little makeup bag. You've got like a makeup brush and bobby pins, an eyeliner pencil. I love that. And then let's see, some ballet slippers, a peacock, a tutu and roses. And then you got a makeup brush, that is really cute, a peacock feather. So this looks like a gate. That's super cute. Looks like a ballet, like a ticket. A peacock, a mask, and then this super cute card that says on with the show. Love those colors. So yeah, that is super cute. And then we've got this paper. Ooh, that is really pretty. Let's see if I can. So it looks like this might be the acetate paper, and it has like a shadow of a dancer, a ballet dancer by the windows. And then you got your vellum. It's just peacocks, peacock feathers, super cute. And then here's looks like a dance studio with the bars next to the windows. And then on the back is just purple. And then you get another one. Then you get one with bobby pins, all different colored, and then pink on the back, pink watercolor. You get 2 of those. And then here's the peacock feathers again, and it's watercolor, like blue-green on the back. You get 2 of those. And that is it. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. Thank you. Bye.